Senator Marcoleta.
Chair, let me continue with the questioning of Senator Pangilinan. You narrated a good point. Yung sinasabi mong counterparting, whatever it is, PPP, it could be convergence. When you were asked what happened, you said, I do not know. Bakit? Ba't hindi nyo alam?
At that time
I
kasi...
think Senator Pangilinan is asking for continuity.
Yes, sir.
If you were able to present a good experience, let's not forget that. Let's not get away from that. Kasi maganda yun eh. I think we were able to see the difference. Before DPWH took over, you were saying that there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Pero you were asked, bakit hindi kinontinue? You said, it was a good policy maybe. That was the point where we were having good turnout of school buildings. Hindi man lang natin ano lahat, but we were succeeding. Bakit hindi tinuloy? What happened? What is the reason why it was not continued given that it is a good initiative?
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, the response that I made is that simply because I was not part of that time, I was an implementer in 2014 and up to 2016, 2017 in my capacity.
That's the problem. There is no continuity. You know, I saw a plan in South Korea. Meron silang sinusundan na plano, 1901 until the present. Kahit na pinakulong nila 3 presidente nila, it doesn't matter. Yung program ng presidenteng nakulong, tinuloy, walang ano yun, walang politika eh. That's probably the reason why there's a difference between us now in South Korea. Maganda na yung tinutumbok mo kanina eh. When you were asked, ano ba nangyari? But I don't know. Why don't you know? Bakit hindi natin... Walang institutional memory within DepEd na meron palang nangyari, a good episode that happened. Maybe that is the first time na nagkaroon tayo ng ganong episode, Mr. Chair. Ba't mo ka kinalim? Dapat ituloy natin, kung maganda, ituloy-tuloy natin. Kung merong lalaban doon, sabihin natin, anong ilalaban mo, maganda yan. Para sana tuloy-tuloy. Doon medyo nagkakaroon po ng pagsisikip ng dibdib eh. Tama na nga eh, siguro dati... Hindi natin makita yung solusyon. Nakita na nga natin eh. Hanggang sa nag-take over ng DPWH, nagka-bullshit-bullshit na naman.
Sir Chair.
Yusek will respond, and then we'll have Senator Lauren, then we'll proceed to the
Thank you very
NGOs.
much for that, sir. But the reason why I was saying that I do not know is that I am performing and functioning on a different capacity at that time. I was not even involved at the central office at that time, but I was able to implement the same project in my capacity as a schools division superintendent at the time. So I think because I really, I started from the classroom up to this level, and I have seen some good points. But to influence a policy decision at a certain governance level, at that time, I still don't have that capacity to do so.
Kumbaga nasa amin yon, hindi yun nasa inyo,
yes.
di ba? Okay, thank you. Senator Lauren.